All right, and Five Below, you guys. $5. Woo! And you know what? This is perfect if you're a teacher or homeschooling. You could blow bubbles out of this when we hit like springtime. It's supposed to work. You get a hula hoop too and do it. So hopefully it works. But yeah, $5. Tons of peelers. These are two. Here's a little car. Great for a sandbox. Bugglers. The hard ones. They're here. Plenty of Hot Wheels. Here's a monster truck one. Star Wars. Okay, $3.25. Okay, they say 5, but some of them say $3.25 on there. So I guess it would depend, right?
Technically, Hot Wheels are more than $1.
Those are great stocking stuffers. What is this? Oh, a Fuggler vending machine. That's kind of funny, actually. And this is all like putty, air dry clay kit to keep you busy for like winter break. And $6 down here, the sand art kit, which is so crazy. But cute mold. They got unicorn, spaceship. These are for these dolls right here. I was wondering what this was, but right here. These are very popular. They're $5, and they have little outfits for them. It's just funny. They have the sucker, more trucks, bows if you need bows. They're going to be $1, which I believe cheaper than Walmart. And these are $5. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah. These are the stop motion. I remember my son had something like that.
And their arms and legs look like bike chains.
That is so funny. But yeah, look at all the outfits. You get headphones. Bluey Santa hat. These are $7. So it looks like a lot of people bought the SpongeBob. They had a big wall here. They just got the squishy, a popcorn box, a lip balm, tons of Grinch items still, cute bags. Here we go. Medium gift bags are now $2. They were $1. They rose that price up. They did raise them. Looks that's $3 now. I wonder if it was $2. That's crazy. I'm watching you, Five Below, raising prices. The Betty Boop shorts, those are really, really cute. And we have all these shirts, which is cute. I did buy the Misfit shirt of Rudolph and the gang. So we got in a baby T size. That's gonna look really cute. Bag charms. There's still black bag charms here. These are cute. The cherry. Is a claw.
Yeah.
Dinosaur claw. That is so funny. They have Snoopy, remote control, Wally, Stitch, and the peanut guy. The peanut guy.
Let's see. See if I grab Chucky.
Barely. Oh yeah, dragon claw. I mean, dinosaur claw. You have Frosty. Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. The bear. And tons of coloring books. Hello Kitty. This is like foam, slime. Tons of Hello Kitty. Just a little bit. We have like a weird slinky Stitch, which is kind of weird. Cars, nails. So Five Below has everything for stocking stuffers. Bingo and family down here. Puzzles. Here's a little bluey one. You make a little snowball. They do have the cars though. Paint, bubbles, puzzles, little pen. I think these are stickers. They look like stickers. Games, bingo game, cute little journal, sorry, play and go, Smarties, a dice roller. Okay, they have Guess Who in here too. Bugglers have a puzzle. Double-sided. The Minions. Okay, who's that? I don't even know if I saw that. Oh, maybe. That is so funny. And there's card games. We got Rick and Morty in here. SpongeBob, Shrek, Toy Story, Dice, Uno, Color and Shapes, Trouble, more puzzles, Magical Encounters board game. Oh, look at that. That looks kind of fun. Here's like a sketch one. Clue. Oh, this always got me as a kid. I was always mad at that game. Okay, you have slime in here. Piece of my heart. French toasties. A fish bowl and a slime. They have grape. They have cloud butter slime. So again, look at all these options you have here. Poop. Remember the whole fixation on poop? This would be huge back in YouTube days when all the kids would make their squishy like hauls and like toy hunts, and then YouTube banned them. So look at all this stuff right here. Here we go. These are for Sorry, Guess Who, Trouble, Connect 4, Candyland. Haven't played Connect 4 in such a long time. Gloomy. Give me the boy. Give me the... Okay. They could have came up with a better thing for Chucky. Give me the boy.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of funny. Look at all these stickers. Oh, look at that. Freddy.
That's a cool one.
That's a cool one. Put that on your water bottle. That's actually kind of cool. Turtles, and yeah, but I feel like these are new right here in the middle. Look at these puppy ones. Okay, these are cute. They got a Rugrat, strawberry shortcake. Look at the adorable ones. Oh, look at the bluey Halloween. Those are adorable. Kawaii. These have like water in them. Interesting. What is that? Harry Potter DIY light up globe. Okay. Then down here, this is $5, which is kind of cool. They have this in Ross too. Kind of funny. Only Patrick and SpongeBob. I mean, Mr. Krabs. Oh, there's Squidward right there. Squidward. No, Squidward. Look at. These are kind of funny. Minion M&Ms. I know somebody who likes to collect M&Ms. The ducks too. Okay. Yes. Look at Bert, Ernie, Broby, Pikachu, Beyblade. A little box of Monsters Inc. Which I feel like if you're doing a birthday cake or something at home, this might work perfect, right? And they also have Nemo. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. You know what I want? A little box of aliens. Why didn't they do that for Toy Story?
Yeah, that'd be neat.
That'd be cool. Okay, these are $5. They'll hang them off. Chibi Chums. They look angry. Let's see. They light up. My gosh, look at that. Looks like Gunther, right?
It does look like Gunther.
I don't know what these are. So many like new blind the butt ones. Okay, I do want to get one. So I want to find a coffee butt. I think that would be really funny. Powerpuff Girls in here. But I wish these were hard, not squishy. Wish they were like actual like hard figures. I can't tell because now they put them in a bag, but they sound hard. They don't sound like a squish. Yeah. So I might, but I would like to get like a food one. Look at the taco butt. That's like really funny.
Look at these guys.
Oh, our daughter used to collect these from Hot
did?
Topic. Yeah, a long time ago. They were really expensive too. If you guys remember these Tokidoki. Yeah, Superman in here. Look at all these trucks. What is that? A tarantula? Looks like a tarantula, like a stretchy one. That's crazy. Graffiti cruisers. Here's more Monster Jams right here. We have airplanes if they're into that. The Grave Digger. It does light up. And that's cool. And these are really cute too. Look at that. They also have like a 2-pack in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and they're $5. All this fun stuff for your photo. Cute key charms. These are cute. Look at the peanut one. That's adorable. Chips Ahoy in there. And more squishies. Look, they also have a gummy one. Gummy cube. It's funny. Danny Phantom. He's a phantom. Oh my gosh, look at the cat. Yeah, oh, the magnet. We used to watch that. Danny Phantom was good, okay? Don't come for me. The future is, oh my god. Oh my gosh. In case of emergency, break glass.
I like that one.
I'm a vibe. It's funny. Okay, what is this one? Grumpy. He looks the same. He has that same resting face.
I'm surprised I didn't have the Michael Keaton one. Where he's kidding.
And like these balls, they're gonna bounce like crazy. They should light up though, but they don't. These little squishies here. These are more squishies, tons to choose from. We have food, little fuzzy ones. Those look like fun. Looks like candy actually. Well, all this is here. A SpongeBob. Bouncy ones, poppets. Here's a tongue picker. Oh, these are where you pick at him, okay? It's kind of yucky to me. Oh, look how cool. This squishy sphere. This is cool looking. That's cool.
That is neat.
See, look at that. There's a little shark in there. Or, no, dolphin. That's kind of cool. Zootopia 2, which I heard was really good. Oh, he looks cute. He looks cute. That's funny. So it looks like these are 7. Still don't know what they are though, but again, they're popular here. $10 earbuds, Cocoa Puffs, and Lucky Charms. Oh, the Stitch mouse pad. They also have a mouse too. These are wireless. The gel for cleaning. Earbud cleaning pen. Perfect for your desk. Little wavy phone stand. Tripod. The port hub. That's kind of cute. Oh, here's a banana phone handset. Banana phone. What do bananas say when they answer the phone? Yellow. Okay, give me a break.
That's what my grandpa used to say.
There's some Bluetooth here. That's funny. Stuff for your car. Fuzzies. Smell the rainbow. I like the alien dashboard guy. That's kind of cute. The Stitch hands. They also have a nightmare one. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, okay. More Harry Potter. Oh, the puffer phone pouch, you know, if you want to spend on a phone pouch. What is it, like 200 for the Apple one? Which is crazy. I normally come here to buy like cables because, well, they're 7 now. But when one breaks in the car, I just normally come to Five Below. I feel like that's an easy fix if you're on the go. Tons of Snoopy, you guys. A glow setter. They have these little pouches. Glow oil, bronze oil. Get a little comb in here too. Hair wax stick. You can't go wrong with that. And more hair stuff. What is down here? It's like glitter shimmer body scrub. Glow drops right here, like little serum. We have strawberry. Yeah, these are new. Pillow pout. These are lip masks, and then looks like a body butter and watermelon shine. Okay, like face spray. They just blinged out the bottles. And any type of jewelry here, you know, you could put in a stocking. They have Secret Santa at school, so I feel like if it's age, like first graders, perfect. Oh, look at that wild zebra print pant. Okay, we have the highlight and contour one. These are for lip glaze and color corrector. Liquid blush is $5. $3 on the lash gel or eyebrow. And the cheek, okay. Hand lotion, caramel, watermelon, cherry, scrubbies. You have socks, sanitizers. These are $4 here. A mirror with a keychain, more lotion, shower foam. Okay. Cooling serum stick, sheet mask too. Perfect for stockings, you guys. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here, but don't forget they also have a pretty big candy station. You have strawberry shortcake. These are 3. They're sugar gummies. Ooh, interesting. Really cute though. The Care Bear one I feel like is really cute. Tons of suckers, lollipop, Pez. These are good too. Just find ones that are not crushed. Now or Laters are my favorite. I wish I could find them like in the large one though. But so many options to choose from, you guys. Don't forget, come to Five Below. It is almost Christmas. Can you believe that? It is like so freaking crazy. I'm like not even ready for it actually. Please stay safe. What did you... Oh, green.
I never seen a green one.
Green apple. Remember when these were so popular and they would keep them up front?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's funny. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one. Ooh. Poppin' pickles. That is so crazy. Ugh. Oh, they look cute. Not animals, like balloon animals. How funny.